Okay, July, you got this. Just find help. Oh my God, what are those things? Stay back. STAA back. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It was a person. It was a fucking person. The noise. Oh shit, the noise attracted more. Come on, find somewhere safe. There. The subway entrance. Lost them. For now. Okay, just follow the tracks, find another exit. Jesus Christ, so many bodies! I'm not alone down here! Get off me! Die! Just die! Made it through the night. Somehow. There, that building. There might be a helicopter. 3 bullets. Better make them count. This is it, July. Last chance! Hundreds of them! How am I supposed to?
Shit! Move, MOVE! Come on, almost there. Fuck you, that was way too close.
Made it inside. They can't get through. Need to reinforce this. They're not getting through. Helicopter's on the roof. Gotta get up there. Stairs are my only option now. What the fuck? Get off me! Get the fuck off! Die already, you rotting freak! Die already, you rotting freak! Gotta get out of this hellhole! The helicopter! It's right there! I'm in! Wait, something's got my leg. Got him. Finally safe. I made it out, but look at what's left down there.